Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal, and I'm all about rule-based price action trading, daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline in rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, and responsible business manager. And here we are, Labor Day holiday. The levels are real and price action is happening. So this is something to record on where we're at beginning September. And I've got here a ES monthly on the left chart. So this is a continuous contract, and you can see the August black candle second from the far right, and on the far right chart we've got a 4 hour. And so what that's telling me basically here is what I'm looking at is for the usually worst month of the year to date performance wise, I'm looking for this wick to be retraced in September. So that's something that I'm looking for. The June green candle here on the monthly chart on the left was huge. I'm not saying we're going to reprice that whole bar, but definitely the wick of August, I would call that a discount wick here. I'm looking for 44.50, 44.70 in that range to be hit at some point. So the 4 hour here, what we've got is a consolidation. So when I'm looking at the top of these candle wicks and this consolidation is long-term high, intermediate-term high, short-term high, and it looks to me, again, what I'm looking at is this green candle, the long green candle on the left, on the right chart. I'm looking for some kind of retracement because, again, that matches up. If we reprice that 4 hour green candle from last August, this kind of matches, again, that candle wick on the monthly. So there you have it. That's the big picture, higher time frame. Let's go into some smaller time frames and see how September started and look at some key levels. Next chart. Far left, ES mini, S&P 500 15-minute middle chart. That's our daily. And again, what I'm noting here is this long bar from the 29th of August. So that's the retest bar. I'm looking to be repriced in September, repriced maybe down to 44.66. 44.60. This is the sweet spot for me. And you can see the calibration of the consolidation here. So here is Labor Day trading. The right is the dollar, and the dollar holler basically has got us still bullish. As long as that remains bullish, that gives the opportunity for equities this week to at least see if we can retrace back into this bar here, which again is last Tuesday's August 29th. So I'm looking for, again, September 5th Tuesday to see if we retrace any of last Tuesday's August 29th. And the sweet spot again is going to be part of this reprice green bar. Otherwise, we're just straight here in the calibration. As far as the chart on the left on the 15-minute, basically what we've got here is we opened up on a low, got all the way up, maybe 17, 18 candles up, and then basically when we hit that 8:25, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go all the way down. RTH opens, and it just goes straight down. Just straight down all the way, breaking the lows of where we opened at in the Globex session. So we broke the lows, the relative equal lows, and we went down here and got some sell side liquidity. And that's why, again, none of this to me looks extremely bullish at all. But no trades here on this Labor Day Monday. This is just about strictly looking at the price action and looking at levels. So next chart, we're going to look at the levels and break them down, especially the new week open gap. Next chart. Here we are with the benchmark, and this is great to just tape read and look for the Tuesday prep. So here's where Sunday, Monday session opened in Globex, the electronic session. You can see the lows with this red line down here. And we had a 5-minute order block I drew here, and we finally break that into the London. So London comes in where this black box is up here, and we have the silver bullet London session, and I drew out a 5-minute order block. And here on the 15-minute benchmark, the wicks do the damage. The candle wicks do the damage above that rectangle in yellow, but basically the body's respected. So when I look at price action charts and levels that I'm mapping out, I want to look at, is price respecting the levels or disrespecting? And basically we had a lot of respect for this yellow rectangle. The red line above here is the draw on liquidity, relative equal highs. And then here we go into the New York session, and the New York session open is right here. You've got a red line where that is basically where we opened up at 9:30, and you just see huge displacement down here. So we break the London open, which is 45.25. So that's a level I'm going to watch for Tuesday. New York midnight open for Monday was 45.22, and then this is the new week open gap. Okay, new week open gap high is 45.21.25, and the new week open gap low is 40.19. So we've got a nice gap here, and right now we've got a few more minutes of this Monday trade action, but you can see this red line. Price has broken the lows of where we started this whole Labor Day session on electronics trading. So we've been up. Globex, basically, those traders in that time zone, if they were long and bought it, they're hosed because price went down. And the regular trading hours time frame, which even though there's really no big New York RTH session players in Labor Day trading, but still, to me, this is not bullish here. And so what I want to watch is on Tuesday, how do we open? How do we open for Asia? What is London going to look like? And then I want to see the 8:30 a.m. to silver bullet RTH and look at price. Because if we don't capture the highs here, then we could definitely break these lows lower. But this is good evidence for us to see. We've got price action levels. We've got the new week open gap for September. We're going to be on a holiday shortened week. And for futures traders, real important, we've got rollover contracts coming up on Friday. So a holiday shortened week and rollover, which means you've got calendar spread traders in the mix. These guys only come out, guys and gals, I should say, only come out once every 90 days, and they can mess it up for a lot of people. So just be aware. That is the big news for futures traders, that we've got September rollover to December contract happening, and that's going to be on the Friday and the following Monday when a lot of traders are going to roll over. So that's it for this video. I'll be back with the Tuesday video. Take care. Aloha. Bye. Thanks for watching.